Hey and welcome to this new video of learning and mastering JavaScript or ECMAScript6. So in this video we will learn about Boolean. So previously you may know Boolean they are false or true, and basically it's the same concept here in JavaScript also. So for example, let's declare a variable, and we will have like a special video specifically for the variable. But let's use var. So var, let's give it a name, for example has content equal to a string. And now for example for the moment let's just log this or put it has content. So now let's run this and we will see this string in here. So now if we want to check if it has content or not, we will use like Boolean and we put variable between those parentheses. So now let's run and it will show us true. Now let's create another variable, for example does not have or have content, and let's make it empty. So now let's run here. I will just copy this and paste it in here. Let's run now this and it shows false. So clear, run again, and false. So because it doesn't have a content, and you may see that here at the end I didn't put semicolon. So this one of the thing that JavaScript is good at, because I can type, for example here, any semicolon and run, and still my code work fine and good. But just for example, we put semicolon just to say to Java that this is the end of our for example variable or statement or whatever it is. And also let's see like a Boolean but with number. For example, is 0 and equal to 0, for example, and here let's see that this is 0, it's true or false. And since here we have 0 equal to 0, it will give us false. But let's see if we type here 1, let's run again and it will give us true. Here probably you notice that when I, for example, want to type the name of a variable, I use this. For example, the first is in lowercase, and then the after or the noun after that it begin with the capital letter, and this is what they call the camel case. So the camel case, and here in the variable we should start with the lowercase, and after if we have, for example, another name, we put it with for a capital. For example, here my variable, it's like this. We type here with capital, but first it's in lowercase. So basically I think there is nothing big to know about Boolean. So they are just even true or false. If we have another variable, for example is null, and I didn't sign it with any other, for example, any other data type, for example, I didn't put here equal some number or string, and here if I try to put it in the output or in the console, we will see that he will give me undefined. So, and basically what you should know about those undefined, that they are they are false, or JavaScript consider them as false. So is null, it's clear, and let's run this, and here as I told you it's false. So this far, for we said for declaring like a variable, but then we have another type or another way to declare a variable with const, let, and other and some others, but we will see that in the end in those other video. Also we still have like two other data type that we will see on in the next video, the object and the array. So see you next.